Hi everyone! In this video, we are going to introduce Rail, Research and Innovation AI Lab. Rail is one of the services built on top of the AI On Demand platform. In a nutshell, Rail aims to help AI practitioners to explore and use AI assets available in the platform, compose them into executable experiments, execute them on the AI On Demand infrastructure, and examine the results of the experiments. Let's have a look at one of the challenges addressed by Rail. Reproducibility of AI experiments is one of keystones the AI research is built on. While publishing information about experiment setup as research papers has a great value on its own, sharing the complete source codes of the experiments make it much easier to reproduce and also helps to minimize errors caused by missing or misinterpreting information from the paper. The downside is that even if one finds a repository with source codes, it's often non-trivial to run them. Either some information is missing, for instance, the list of dependencies, or a specific infrastructure is needed. With Rail, the users are able to create reusable experiment templates and experiments that can be executed directly on the AI On Demand platform's infrastructure. As the experiment templates define everything they need to run, including execution environment, in this case Docker image, dependencies, code, and environment variables enabling to adjust the template for different scenarios, they are easy to execute and reuse by not only their authors, but also by other researchers. An important aspect is the ability of the experiment templates to be adjusted for a concrete scenario. For instance, if someone creates an experiment template for advanced training of a document classifier, and this template enables the user to specify different parameters of training pipeline through environment variables, which is possible in Rail, the same experiment template can be twisted to work with different models and hyperparameters without the need to write a line of code. For the sake of transparency, it's also important to say that at the moment, the computational resources of the platform are limited. As said before, Rail is a tool that allows AI practitioners to create, execute, and reuse experiments with the support of the AI On Demand platform. More precisely, Rail is a web application. It's integrated with the platform and it provides web user interface, API, and SDK, and these enable the users to work with the AI On Demand platform assets, create experiments, execute them directly on the AI On Demand platform infrastructure, and download the results. Rail benefits from multiple components of the AI On Demand platform, including its rich metadata catalog available through REST API, authorization and authentication mechanism, and its computational infrastructure. With Rail, you can create experiment templates and experiments others can easily reuse. This may increase the outreach of one's research as their results are more reproducible and reusable, as well as to save researchers time when replicating experiments of others. You can find more information about Rail at rail.aiod.eu.